It's all about that first game, about Saturday, and just being us as a team, getting everyone back together again, telling us what our principles are, reminding us of that, because it has been a long time since November, and everyone at clubs has their different way of playing, but ultimately now everyone's got to be on the same wavelength, and it's good that we have that time going into Saturday, and it's going to be a team that we haven't played, so it's going to be a really tough game, and it's one that we're all looking forward to. We're all feeling confident. It's just about how can we push on to be even better. We had a great first 6 games, but it's taking the positives and the negatives out of them games, and how can we push on to be a better group, to be better as individuals, and this is our fourth camp now, and it's one that we're really looking forward to this campaign. The ultimate goal is the World Cup, and we have to set little tasks on the way to be able to get there. We've got a game Saturday, Tuesday. We won't speak about Tuesday's game until Saturday's over, but we have to get to a good start, because it's so important, this campaign.